Welcome to the Best Roofing Company, your source for reliable roofing in Springfield, Missouri. We handle roof repairs, replacements, gutters, and storm damage. We are licensed, insured, local, and offer free estimates. Roofing done right starts with the right team. We use high-quality materials for long-term performance and protection. Combined with professional workmanship, expect honest, local service with clear communication and no confusing jargon. We offer you peace of mind through quality craftsmanship that looks good and lasts. We ensure reliability by showing up and working hard, and transparency through straightforward, practical solutions with zero sticker shock. We are Springfield local. Our protection and performance framework covers residential roofing, commercial roofing, and gutters and storm damage. Our core focus spans full replacements, new roofing, leak prevention, and damage inspections. Our promise is dependable craftsmanship and rapid issue identification. Our zero-friction process begins with a free roof estimate, identifying damage and options without upfront cost. Next, we provide an honest recommendation with a clear plan of action. Finally, our polite crews deliver expert execution, working hard and cleaning up all debris. We are trusted by Springfield homeowners and businesses, noted for superior craftsmanship, speed and cleanliness, and clear communication. We also offer guidance through the insurance process for a smooth experience. Removing the guesswork is key. Most replacements are completed in 1 to 3 days. We handle storm damage and insurance claims, work on gutters and both residential and commercial properties, and are fully licensed and insured for your peace of mind. Need roofing help in Springfield? Take the next step with confidence. Start with a free estimate today by calling 417-4109-330 or visiting our website. We look forward to serving you.
When you need help after a storm, the Best Roofing Company is ready to provide you with straightforward and dependable service. Reach out today.